Slip simulator training has been shown to be highly effective in reducing slip, trip, and fall accidents. Studies have shown it is effective in reducing accidents by up to 70%. The investment in a mobile slip simulator can go way beyond slip simulator training to bring an in-depth safety program across the company. Additional topics typically taught during a class include using handrails up and down stairs, proper housekeeping and awareness of distracted working and walking, carrying boxes and equipment, carrying personal items, and safe vehicle egress. Organizations with mobile unit classrooms oftentimes integrate other training into their training protocol to include driving simulators, fall protection training, truck egress training, and ladder safety. INBIODYN can help integrate these and other trainings into your mobile training system. Feel free to contact us for more information.